everyone, how are you guys tonight? I am so excited. Tonight is the Saturday Night Live. We've had this scheduled for a good week now. And those who don't know what the Saturday Night Live is going to be all about, it's for Laura at Laughing Dogs Book Nook, is a dear friend of ours here on not only YouTube, but Etsy, Facebook, Instagram. And if she's not a friend of yours, please follow her. We are trying to raise money for help her out. Her husband's been battling cancer this year, and the medical bills are just totally been piling up. And so tonight's live is dedicated just for that. I know I said 20% of it is going towards her, but anyone who's actually donated or if I purchased, because there's going to be a lot of journals from different shop owners, from friends, and just followers that I've collected through the years. I've already contacted them, so no worries, to see if they're willing that we can set those up for auction tonight. So if there's some journals that you guys would like to purchase tonight, 100% of it goes to Laura at Laughing Dogs Book Nook. You also want to stick around because our dear friend Kristen at Rock Paper Treasures, if you don't know her, her information's down below. She has donated a traveler's notebook for the giveaway. So tonight we'll be doing, anyone who joins in the fun today, we are going to do a ticket where we put your ticket in the jar, and then we'll draw the ticket at the end of the night, and the winner, obviously, of the ticket will get the Traveler's Notebook, and it's a fairy one. It's really adorable. Those who know Kristen Rock Paper Treasure, she makes beautiful journals as well, so thank you, Kristen. So please join in. Let's go ahead and help support Laura, one of our dear friends, and let's have fun. There's a lot of stuff here that I'm donating and putting in this, and let's have a good time, guys. So thank you again. Again, it's at 7 p.m. my time, Central Time. So please click the notification bell down below. Down below is the link directly to the live if you want to just click on that and be prepared kind of thing. And no, I had the worst time trying to figure out the time zone thing from moving from Indiana down here to Florida. I'll get it, though. So I hope to see you guys tonight, guys. You guys have a good one. Bye.